Welcome to Tibet This Week, a weekly news on Tibet, His Holiness the Dalai Lama and the Central Tibetan Administration. I am Tenzin Chime. Today's headlines. A Tibetan student bags gold medal. Budget session of the 16th Tibetan Parliament in exile curtailed to 1 day. Kashag Issues Coronavirus Guidelines, including ban on public gatherings for 1 month. A Tibetan student, Tashi Lhamo, has been awarded gold medal and a cash prize for the highest academic rank in the 38th convocation held on the 27th February in Mangalore University. Congratulating Tashi and her family for the achievement, the Central Tibetan Administration's Department of Education urged the other youngsters to take inspiration from her and aim for excellence. Tashi has completed Acharya in Buddhist philosophy from Central Institute of Higher Tibetan Studies. She graduated with Masters of Library and Information Science from Mangalore University. Tashi hails from Kolligal Tibetan settlement and currently works at Shantarakshita Library of Central Institute of Higher Tibetan Studies, Varanasi. In the light of COVID-19 outbreak across the world and with an increasing number of confirmed cases of positive patients in India, the budget session of the 16th Tibetan Parliament in exile for the fiscal year 2020 and 2021, scheduled to hold for 10 days from March 17, convened for only 1 day as a measure to contain the spread of the virus. Strictly following the set agendas, the one-day session of the Tibetan Parliament in exile passed and approved the budgets of all departments of Central Tibetan Administration for the year 2020 and 2021. The speaker, in his conclusion speech, urged all the Tibetans to follow His Holiness the Dalai Lama's advice and remain united for the common cause of Tibet and prayed for the speedy resolution of COVID-19 crisis. The coronavirus outbreak that originated in Wuhan, China around November last year continues to wreak global havoc, causing social disruptions and nationwide shutdown across the world. Last week, the World Health Organization declared the novel coronavirus outbreak a pandemic. Worldwide infections have risen to more than 132,500 cases in 123 countries. In response to the gravity of the coronavirus pandemic, the Kashag of the Central Tibetan Administration issued guidelines calling on Tibetan monasteries, schools, and elder care homes in India, Nepal, and Bhutan to cancel public gatherings for 1 month. The guidelines also call on all boarding and day schools to be closed for a minimum period of 1 month, elderly care homes to restrict all outside visitors except for the staff. All the staff of Central Tibetan Administration, both at center and as well as at regional level, to postpone all official visits and to refrain from holding any meetings, training programs and workshops for 1 month, among others. That is all for Tibet This Week. Have a good weekend.